Guys, Gears and Grit here. We are going to show you how to save a buck on your motorcycle. We are going to talk about used tires. Should you go for it? Should you not? And what to look for if you decide to save a few dollars by buying a used motorcycle tire. So we have a few used motorcycle tires right here, and I'm going to show you why each one has a specific flaw that you are going to want to look for if you're considering buying a used motorcycle tire. First thing that I always look for is going to be the DOT. This is going to be a 4-digit number. It's in a slightly different place on every brand of tire, but these 4 digits do mean something. The first 2 digits indicate the week of the year that the tire was produced. That's typically not an issue. What you're most concerned with is the last 2 digits, which is going to tell you the year that this tire was made, which is 2007. That is much too old. You definitely want to try and get a tire that is no more than 5 years old. Anything older than 5 years, especially if it's a used tire, I definitely want to go ahead and pass on it and look for a better one. Next thing that I'm going to look for, that I'm going to inspect rather, is this bead right here. This is what seals the tire along the rim. And if you look closely, you can see we got some real bad chunks here that are missing. You want to inspect the inside and the outside of this bead along both sides, and you want to make sure you don't see anything like that. If you do, go ahead and pass on it. Another thing you're going to want to look for is any signs of cracking either in the sidewall or in the tread itself. If you look closely, you can already see some cracking inside the tread here. If you see that, stand back and figure out another tire. The other thing that I see on this one is some real uneven tread wear. I'm just slowly rotating the tire, and there's some significant low spots on this. It actually looks like somebody rode this while the tire was very low on air. If you see any uneven wear left or right, some rear tires are often squared off. Go ahead and pass on that. You don't want anything like that. The thing that I'm going to look for is the inside of the tire itself, and I'm just going to rotate it all the way around a few times. I'm looking for any plugs or any patches that may be in the tire. I definitely am going to want to avoid any tire with any plugs or any patches. Thankfully, this doesn't have any plugs or any patches. Looks pretty decent inside. So we have this tire again, and I saw it because we have real nice tread depth on this. It's obviously a little dirty, but I inspected it for patches. It doesn't have any patches or plugs. The bead all looks good. The only thing I found wrong with this is the DOT. Let me find it again. 2008 on the DOT. So again, even if the tire looks good, everything passes muster, just because it's an old tire, I'm going to avoid that. Another thing you can do is if you find a tire that otherwise looks good, take your fingernail and see if you can dig your fingernail into the tread. If you can't get a fingernail indentation inside this tread that tells you that this rubber's already too hard, you're not going to get any bit of traction using this tire, go ahead and pass on it. You want it to be a little soft, at least, to be able to give yourself some traction when it's on the road. Another thing you're going to want to look for, of course, is going to be the tread depth. Now, on some used tires, like this one for instance, you can easily tell the tread depth is far too gone. So what are you looking for on what you think might be a good tire? Well, typically and generally speaking, you're going to want at least 2 to 3 millimeters of tread depth on a front tire and 3 to 4 millimeters of tread depth on a rear tire. Now, of course, there is some variation in this depending on the type of tire that you have. So I do recommend using a tread depth gauge and checking the manufacturer specification for tread depth. And also, you want to make sure you measure the tread depth in the center and along each side, just to make sure that your tread depth is well within spec. There's no sense in risking your health and safety. Just save, 50 bucks on a used tire. Sometimes it makes sense. Sometimes it's better off to buy new. But if you do buy used, just keep these things in mind. You could probably save a few bucks and keep your motorcycle on the road for just a little bit less.